Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by chilling the Corona Light so flavors tighten and carbonation is pleasant. Once cold, check the cap and have a lime ready. The citrus brightens the beer. Make sure to decide whether you'll drink from the bottle or pour into a glass. Each changes aroma and carbonation. Hold the bottle at a slight angle when pouring to control foam, and keep fingers away from the rim so the experience stays clean and crisp. Open the bottle confidently. You don't want excess fizz. Once opened, guide a half-lime wedge into the neck or squeeze the juice over the mouth to add bright acidity. Doing this balances the mild malt and light hops, so you taste citrus and not just carbonation. Make sure to remove any seeds. Then bring the bottle to your lips at a slight angle, inhale briefly to register aroma, and take a measured sip to evaluate sweetness and balance. Finish by pacing your sip so the beer stays cool and refreshing. Alternate small and medium sips to manage carbonation. If the beer seems flat or warm, put it back in the fridge 10-15 minutes and pour slowly when you try again to preserve bubbles. If you notice an off flavor, stop drinking. Check the bottle for a skunky scent, odd sourness, or expired date. Those indicate spoilage or improper storage. Otherwise, enjoy another with.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.